It is an absolute pleasure to finally meet you.
The pleasure is all mine. I have heard great things. I'm really looking forward to our session today.
Me too. Let us get started right away. Good morning, David. You seem very motivated today.
I am. I decided to stop waiting for the perfect moment.
That's a smart decision. Opportunities usually come to those who are prepared.
Exactly. Preparation creates confidence.
What is your biggest goal this year?
I want to improve my English until I can speak fluently with anyone.
Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience and consistent practice.
I understand. Small improvements every day will eventually produce great results.
What do you do to practice?
I read English books, watch educational videos, and speak English every single day.
That's an excellent routine. Mistakes are part of the learning process.
I no longer fear making mistakes because every mistake teaches me something valuable.
Your mindset will help you succeed.
Thank you. I believe discipline is more important than motivation.
I completely agree. Consistency is the key to long-term success.
Let's continue learning together and encourage each other every day. Today was a great start, absolutely.
I'm looking forward to learning more together.
Let's keep practicing every day.
Yes, consistency is the key to success.